You ready? So look, if your partner was really close to their family, right, and their family didn't like you, would you still try to make the relationship work?
Hold on. He's gonna face it.
Why wouldn't you? I'm gonna start right here, then we're gonna go this way, all right? Ready?
I'm like really involved in like relationships with family. I love it. So I'm not like a kind of person like I don't care about your family. I just go and like no, I won't like it. Yeah.
Oh,
no.
So would you still make the relationship work?
No.
If their family did, the mother said I don't like her.
No.
Would you still try to know?
No, I will like try to make her love me, but if she is not like a good person, or like she tries to like hate me, like I'm done. That's it.
What about you?
Wow.
Like I think,
Wow,
I
y'all.
think the same
Wow.
thing. Like because we're Turkish, like we're really big on family, and like I want to love his family as much as mine. Like I would try to love that, but if they don't love me, I'm gone.
All right, so family matters. No pun intended.
Acting like you're too good for me.